Hi friends, here's your homework for this week. This is a story that you can tell. It says spring is here, best time. Spring is the best time. Sorry, I misspoke. You can write your name and decide which one you want to use, but you can do both. If you notice the lines are a little different on these, so you can practice writing on this one, or you can practice writing on this one, or do them both ways, whichever way you'd like to do them. What is the best thing in spring? What do you like to do? Go in the garden, go for walks, go on a treasure hunt? You decide, and an adult can help you write or practice writing here. You can even make a copy. If an adult wants to write something down for you, you can write after that. Have lots of fun, turn it into me, and it'll be part of your book. Bye, friends.